Welcome back for another video. Today I want to make this simple shoes for my doll. Let's start. Round number 1, chain 4, one, 2, 3, 4. Second chain from hook, we make 2 single crochet. One, two, and then in the next stitch we make 4 single crochet. One, 2, and then in the returning, in this loop, we make another 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So altogether 4 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then in the next stitch we make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. So total stitch count for round number 1 is 10. Round number 2, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, mark the first stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. One, 2, 4, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet in each stitch for the next 3 stitches. One, 2, 3. Total stitch count for round number 2 is 18. End the round. This is the wrong side of the shoes, and then this is the right side of the shoes. So the wrong side facing up, we make a slip stitch. I use a pink yarn, and then I'll make slip stitch around. So total stitch count for the round is 18. and then I will end the round. For round number 4, the wrong side facing up, locate a stitch that is as center as possible. So we work on back loop only. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count for the round is 18. Round number 5, 1 single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches. Mark the first stitch. 2, 3, and 4. And then 4 decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before I proceed to round number 6, I want to change to white yarn. Round number 6, we work on back loop only. 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 decrease. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Total stitch count for round number 6 is 11. Round number 6, round number 7, 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then a slip stitch to end the round. Total stitch count for round number 7 is 12. I've made 2 of these. Let's put them onto the doll. That's all for my tutorial. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.